Hey everybody, it's Amy, and here we are at the end of the semester, and I'm going to go over my final website here. I'm trying to get my recording things out of the way. That was a real fun just trying to figure that out. Okay, so I don't know why it's doing that, but I'm just going to ignore it. Okay, so the first part, show us what you changed to your site based on the class critique. Alexa suggested I change the font in the footer to match the header. So here's the footer. So I made it, changed it to match the header. Melissa suggested adding a cute dog shopping image on the special page. So let's look at that. And there's my cute little shopping thing for the monthly specials. She also suggested making links out of the text on the home page for grooming and photography, and also changing font size and center the words in the front section. So here's where she's talking about. So I rewrote it and made a link there for grooming and made a link there for photography. And then the girl with the cool name, which looks Hawaiian or something, Moanikiala. Moanikiala. I love your name. You suggested a book now button instead of contact us in the header. So I have a book now, and I really love that suggestion. They're all good. Anthony suggested upper and lowercase text in navigation bar. So I changed it so now they're upper and lower caps. All right, next, tell us what you did to your site for search engine optimization, SEO. One of them is list my physical location. So let's see if I did that down here. So what I did is I went to the contact page, and then I used a text box to list my physical location. The second one was add alternative text to the images. So I did do that, and I'm not going to show you how I did it because I'd have to go to editing. But basically you go into editing, then you click on each image, and then you can put down alternative text that way. Okay, I'll show you real quick. I'm trying to do this quickly, guys. So, all right, so there's edit. Click on my image, edit image, and then I put down image alternative text, and I put down dog pet groomer. So what I did is I used different keywords so they weren't all the same. And so this one I used, okay, that one's dog pet groomer as well. Oh, okay. So I guess I did a lot of dog pet groomer, and then this one would, and it doesn't have to be, okay, dog pet photographer for that one. So it's good to use different words like photography, groomer, grooming, dog, pet. See, this one I put down dog, cat, pet, photography right there. So you can use different keywords into your images that way as well. The other thing I did was customize the page and site titles. So to do that, you go to website, you customize the title. Let's see. Oh, it's a little slow. How about that? That's not good. All right, general settings. So I went, okay, here's your page title and then your navigation title. So I put down Pawsch Pet Grooming and Photography Services. So you go into each page and you use keywords about that page underneath the title. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's it for my search engine optimization. Next, show us your home page and tell us what you hope people pay the most attention to on the home page. Let me get out of here. So if we go to the, okay, wait a minute, I'm missing something. All right, hold on. I forgot my CSS stuff. Okay, well, let's see if I can remember. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back over here. Okay, so I came back over here. Okay, I know CSS was on here. Great. Okay, well, SEO, analytics. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just gonna go and see what I can remember that I did for CSS. The one script I did was for the drop-down menu, and it gives you a background color. So then I went to a RGB color picker, and I just picked out a color that was close to the other websites, and then I just put the script in the CSS section. And I think you guys probably know how to do that. So that's one thing I did. The other CSS thing I did is when you hover over an image, it slightly enlarges. So there you go. That's the other CSS thing I did. And okay, come on, you can remember the other CSS thing I did was not easy for me to remember. Okay, I did that, and then something with the color. Oh, here we go. See the headlines here? Welcome to Pawsch Pest. I put in a script in there. Well, okay, first of all, the images I had to, no, I put in the script for the images. That is fine. What I had to do for the headline is I had to go to each page and to each headline, and then I would bold it. So everything in the headline, in the heading, everything in the heading that was bold, I chose this colored highlight to go through it. So that is on each page. See? So that's my CSS. Those are my 3 CSS things that I did. Sorry, it took me a minute to remember. So there you go. So I went to each page, put the headings in bold, and then automatically did that for us. All right, now it says go to the home page. And what do I want people to pay the most attention to? Oh, if you go down here, okay, go over to the left side like this. Don't do that. And then you scroll down, you'll see website tools, and then here's custom CSS, and that's where I put in my 3 script thingies and just had to customize it a little bit. And I went and found, I Googled and found some ideas that I could choose from. Okay, so what I want when my clients go to the home page, I want them to see the benefit written headline. I want them to see welcome, the name of the business, and create and capture the precious moments and essence of your pets. Award-winning Pawsch photography packages offer you the best. So I want them to read that, then they can click and go straight to grooming, or they can look up here and see book now if they already know and they just want to hurry up and book a grooming or photography session. And that's the main thing I want them to see, the benefit, a place to click, and a place for action, and also to look at some cute pictures if they're new to the website. And then they can also subscribe and contact other ways down here as well. The other thing that I did have issues with, I wanted to use an image for texture and I spent hours on it. Then it looked ridiculous because I couldn't get it to fit in with the heading and the footer. and thank you guys for your tips and suggestions. So I just got rid of the texture image altogether and just went with the background color and the template colors. And I do not like the templates very well. I feel very restrained and constrained, and I couldn't even do some of the things that I wanted. Whereas if you do custom code and find ways to tweak it, then it's already so much easier. Okay, so I'm at 10 minutes. Show me 2 more pages that I want people to see. Probably 2 more important pages would be, I want people to go right to the packages so they can know exactly what the breakdown of the packages are. And then when they compare it to the prices, they can see what they're getting and the value. So those would be 2 important pages. I want them to be able to see the prices and the packages very easily. And the other suggestion that I did that was really good was articles. It's actually not articles. I changed it to how-to tips and tricks, and I embedded the YouTube video tutorials in there. So I think it cleaned it up and looked a lot better. So there you go. That's my final site. Is it perfect? No. Did I learn a lot in this class? Yes, I did. I love it. And I look forward to seeing your sites as well. All right. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving and hope you have a good holiday coming up. And that's it for now. Of course, I can't turn it off and my cat's not here meowing because doing the record with Xbox Game Console in Windows 10 can be a real pain.